over the last 11 years, I've probably had about 12 or 13 tenants in the property, of which none of them have been a problem. And one of the reasons I chose Romans in the first place was because their vetting and their references were very, very thorough, and they listened to what I wanted. I think the whole Romans brand is quite strong, and they had a prominent site in Camberley where the property is. The value of the rent protection scheme really came to light when I started to get feelings from Romans that my tenant was starting to find the rent payments quite difficult to make. As the time went on and we were missing payments more and more, there was a point at which they said to me, no, you must now, start the process off. Otherwise, your right's going to be hindered when it comes to, if he continues to not pay, you're going to find yourself in a financial situation. Romans in Camberley was my point of contact throughout. I took the case management on from day one through to the complete resolution. And I had to go to court and he was evicted, which meant that he had obviously no legal right to be there. He had to move out and all the locks had to be changed, and all that kind of expense, again, was covered by the insurance. I had no paperwork to do. All of the paperwork for the court proceedings was all done by Romans, and the Romans attended court on my behalf as my agent, which again saved me a good day and a half out of my working life, and it was all done. So the first I knew about it was a list of repairs being done to the property and the fact they were going to remarket it and get good tenants in there, and I've now got some fantastic tenants in. I recommend Romans all the time, and my view is, well, you'd be mad to go anywhere else. And certainly, in terms of the rent protection scheme, it should just be part of what you do. And if it was me, I would just say it's almost mandatory, because without it, you are putting yourself at risk. And from my point of view, it's unnecessary risk.